The Fountain of Youth, unlocking 7 years of brain agility through creative expression. What if the key to a youthful mind isn't found in meditation apps or memory games, but in embracing your inner artist? A recent study reveals that individuals who regularly indulge in creative pursuits may have brains that appear 7 years younger than their chronological age. Yes, you read that right. 7 years. The Max Planck Institute for Empirical Aesthetics conducted research that analyzed brain age gaps using neuroimaging. They discovered that adults who frequently engage in creative activities like music, writing, dance, or crafts exhibit younger neural profiles compared to their peers. This suggests that creativity isn't merely self-expression, it's a powerful brain workout. Here are 8 creative skills that might just keep your brain younger, backed by psychological research and scientific evidence, with a sprinkle of personal experience. Music as medicine. Playing a musical instrument is a recurring theme in brain aging studies. When you play, you're not just moving your fingers, you're processing pitch, rhythm, and emotion. A 2024 eLife study found that musicians maintain stronger white matter integrity and higher neural efficiency as they age. Visual arts. Grab a pencil or stylus and let your imagination flow. Painting, drawing, and digital art stimulate brain regions associated with spatial awareness, visual memory, and creative planning. Studies show that regular artistic expression enhances cognitive flexibility and emotional regulation. But here's where it gets interesting. Engaging in visual arts can alter your perception. It's not just about creating, it's about seeing the world differently, which keeps your brain curious and youthful. Dance like no one's watching. Dancers seem to defy age, and science backs this up. Dancing stimulates the cerebellum, hippocampus, and motor cortex, areas crucial for coordination and memory. Tango dancers, for instance, exhibit slower cognitive decline. Dance combines rhythm, movement, and improvisation, making it a holistic brain exercise. Photography, often overlooked, photography is a powerful creative skill. When composing a shot, you make countless micro-decisions, engaging visual spatial reasoning, memory, and intuition. It's not just about capturing a moment, it's about learning to observe and appreciate the world around you, keeping your brain alert and engaged. Write your way to youth. Creative writing, not just emails or lists, is key. When you craft stories or poems, you engage in divergent thinking, generating multiple ideas from a single prompt. This cognitive ability is strongly linked to creative intelligence. Gaming with purpose. Video games, board games, and puzzles can be brain-boosting when they're strategic or creative. A 2024 review revealed that players of complex games like chess, strategy video games, or world-building simulations showed improved cognitive flexibility and delayed brain aging. These games challenge decision-making, pattern recognition, and adaptation, skills that tend to decline with age without practice. DIY projects. Crafting and DIY are tangible ways to keep your brain active. Activities like woodworking, sewing, or gardening combine problem-solving with fine motor control. Research from the Mayo Clinic found that older adults who engaged in hands-on creative activities had a significantly lower risk of mild cognitive impairment. Mix and match creativity. Researchers call it cross-domain creativity, combining 2 or more creative modes, such as music and art or photography and writing. This practice enhances integration between brain networks, potentially buffering against cognitive aging. It's about exploring and stretching different neural circuits, keeping your brain young and vibrant. If you feel you're not the creative type, remember, creativity is a muscle, not a talent. Start small and build gradually. Play a tune, sketch a daily object, take creative photos, or learn a dance routine. The goal is to spark curiosity, not perfection. After a few weeks, you may notice sharper focus, a lighter mood, and a broader perspective. These are signs of a brain adapting and staying young. As someone who writes about psychology, this research is a refreshing reminder that our creative hobbies aren't distractions but essential to a vibrant, youthful mind. Creativity isn't just about art. It's about being present in the world, finding beauty in the ordinary, and asking questions. And the bonus? These practices might just keep your brain 7 years younger. So, embrace your creative spark, let it flourish, and watch your brain thank you for it.